Alright, we back. You know who it is, Bam. Showing you how to make a beat. I'm breaking down the beats that I make. I'm turning the beats into songs by freestyling on them, you know, and bringing it back to y'all. So y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. I believe this is part 3. I'm going to show y'all 808s mixed in with pianos and the drum pattern. And then we can get into other sounds of the beat and the lyrics, the vocals, and everything. So yeah, like and subscribe, hit the notifications, watch it with a friend, and yeah, feel free to donate to my Cash App, Rock City Hotboy, ROCCITYHOTBOY. So we have 808 and the piano now with the drum pattern. There's more sounds in here, y'all just be patient. It takes time to be this great. Song not even finished yet. I just like the beat, and other people like it, so I'm gonna work on it some more. Alright, now I'm gonna let y'all hear the 808 by itself. All I did was take the piano and put it on the 808, burn it down the octave, brought the high octave piano sounds down an octave. So it can go with the 808 so it's not too jumpy, you know, like boom, boom, doo-doo, stuff like that. I could do that, I could show y'all later in that. Y'all leave a comment if y'all want stuff like that. That's it. No other shit. So this is just the 808 and the drum pattern. Listen to this. Niggas be worried about a drug, broke as a bitch. Niggas be worried about the wrong motherfucking shit. Nigga better have my money flexing like it's rich. Nigga, I've been working, swerving, don't get your ass hit. I'ma pull up in the whip, cause I got a stick. I want them hundreds, them 50s, 20s, and them 10s. Took them chucks off and put back on them Timbs. On the paper, rob this shit gon' never end. I don't think they still hating on me. They still waiting on me. If they thinking on me, but what you thinking on me? I don't think they still hating on me. You still waiting on me. If they thinking on me, but what you thinking on me? Out of the dirt of the ship of my lonely. I do not need a big homie. Most of these niggas is phony. I'ma go out like I'm Tony. Wanna play rough? Okay, say no to my little friend. That's the 808 with the drum pattern. You can hear it again with the piano. We're gonna get into some more sounds on another part of this episode. We got more sounds. We have a flute, we have guitars, and the vocals. Y'all stay tuned. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's it. Fuck it. No auto-tune. Shit. Yeah. I'm gonna show you how it sound with the auto tune in the next episode, next part, to be continued.